Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you our amazing cotton candy powder kit that we will use to explore 3 easy nail art ideas. This beautiful powder kit makes you feel the spring vibes as it contains 4 perfect colors: Endless Galaxy, Mad About You, Minty, and Lady in Pink. Who doesn't love cotton candy? Because we surely do. You can also choose to add the essentials. As always, start your manicure by prepping the nails. First, gently push back cuticles, then lightly buff your nails along the tops and sides to give them a matte look. Use some alcohol on a lint-free wipe and rub down your nails. This will ensure your nails are totally clean and oil-free. Apply Rossi base coat to 3/4 of the nail and immediately dip into Mad About You Glam Powder. Brush off excess powder and repeat this step by applying the base closer to the cuticle area. Add another layer of glam powder. This time add Endless Galaxy. For the rest of the nails, we need to apply 2 layers of the color as shown before. Getting closer to the cuticle as you apply will help avoid flooding the cuticle and sidewalls with color. To ensure even application, hold the brush parallel to the nail, moving it from the cuticle to the free edge in long and quick strokes. Then guide the nail into the dipping powder at a 45-degree angle to ensure a smooth powder surface. For the ring finger, we decided to go with the color block technique. Apply Rossi base to the nail and dip into Pink Lady diagonally. Hold finger straight down and tap gently to get rid of any loose pink dipping powder. Perfect color combo! Brush off excess powder and apply activator to all the nails. Lightly file and buff the nails to smooth them out. For the next design, you'll need a small piece of tin foil. Dip the toothpick into the base and dab it onto your nails to create dots. Quickly and lightly pour pink glam powder over the dots. Powder will stick to wherever base is applied. Wait for the base to dry to brush away any excess powder. Apply another layer of activator on the dots. Last thing you'll need to do is apply 2 layers of the top coat. Allow the first layer to dry for about 2 minutes before applying the next layer. Finally, apply a liberal amount of cuticle oil and you're done. Be sure to continue applying the cuticle oil over the days to come to keep your cutes moisturized. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Stay home, stay safe.